Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Yes, Tumar Rashid here to discuss another research paper so-called log compound relay distribution with application to the reliability data sets. This paper is also published by the Research Journal of Mathematical and Statistical Sciences, Volume 9, Issue 1, January 2021. Basically, in this research paper, we introduced log transformation of the compound Rayleigh distribution, and the new created variable is called log compound or Rayleigh random variable. After introducing this distribution, we also obtain basic reliability properties of the distribution, order statistic estimation method by likelihood estimates. Lastly, we apply the proposed model to the two reliability datasets and compare its betterness, its superiority, its goodness with following distributions in which Jumbers, Nadaraja, Gigi, Weibull, type 1, type 2, Topley on inverse Rayleigh, Lomax, and log diagram distributions are included. The keyword of the research paper are log compound Rayleigh, or and ML estimates. So let's go to the introduction and rest of the research introduced in this paper. And as for introduction of this research, you know that slightly change in a random variable cause a new invention of the distribution. Many authors introduced different random variables using log transformation, inverting variables, parametric changes, etc. Some examples are important to mention here. Doma introduced log compound diagram distribution using the log transformation, and they use the log transformation as x is equal to log z, so the z is equal to exponent x. The new random variable, new log compound random variable is ex. E stands for exponent x. E is the exponent x in this variable, in this distribution. We just introduced the same idea, we snatched the same idea in our research, and we use the x is equal to ln z, while the x is equal to ex is equal to z. So we introduce a new random variable, so called the compound Rayleigh distribution, converted into the log compound random variable. So PDF of the distribution of the compound Rayleigh distribution is fz 2 theta lambda raised to power theta z lambda plus z square raised to power minus theta plus 1. In the same way, the CDF of the distribution is fz 1 minus theta and so on. We just introduced, we just changed the random variable x is equal to ln z, then ex is equal to z. Yes, ex is equal to z. So our new random variable, the compound random variable, change into a log compound random variable. Ex is the log compound random variable, and the new PDF of our random variable of the distribution is 2 theta lambda raised to power theta e raised to power 2x lambda plus e raised to power 2x whole raised to power minus theta plus 1, while the CDF of the distribution is. In this section, we obtain some reliability properties in which reliability function, failure rate, cumulative hazard rate, reverse hazard rate, odd functions are also part of this research. In the same way, quantile function can also be obtained by inverting the CDF of the distribution. Order statistics also the part of this research, and the simple notation, simple function of order statistics are obtained, while fx is the CDF, 1 minus s is the survival function, so we can obtain the of the order statistics of the log compound Rayleigh distribution. We plotted using assumed parametric values of PDF and CDF of the distribution. not perfect distribution we can see of this way using this parametric values that is almost symmetrical in different cases, positive skewed in different cases, while the CDF hazard rate is decreasing, sometimes is a straight line, while we use the theta 0.01 and lambda is equal to 40.35. So you can see different shapes of the hazard rate and PDF of the distribution. In this table we obtain some statistical measures of the distribution, Q1 first quartile, Q3 median, third quartile, similarly Q3 minus Q1 quartile deviation, skewness and kurtosis using the different parametric values of the distribution. In the lastly we obtain the parametric values of the distribution by MLE, method of likelihood estimation, and then we apply the distribution with the help of R language. We use two different kinds of data sets. One is carbon fiber data and second one is the carbon fibers data, but these are two different kinds of data sets, but nature of the data are same. They are reliability data sets. We use find the AIC, BIC, CIC, HUIC and different other measures having large p-value of the distribution. LCR, log compound delay, Jumbert's, Lomax, Nadaraj-Egigi, log Degum and Top-Leon compound delay. We can see that our fitted model is better fitted model as compared to other models. In the same way, the result of the data set 2 are also presented with this table, and you can see that 0.96 our p-value very large and accepted value, and we can say that our model is better fitted as compared to other model. The plots, standard errors, parameters and their standard errors are also presented in this table of dataset 1 as well as dataset 2. TT plots, dataset 1 and dataset 2 are also part of this research. Yes, PDF fitted models, you can see that our density is better fitted, and you can see that the graph is look like the basic model or histogram, touching the histogram of the distribution. Yes, almost better fitted as compared to other distribution. In the same way, we also obtain the survival function, estimated densities, Kaplan-Meier survival plots. In the same way, we find the QQ plot and PP plot of the distributions, and the normal plot, normal density, normal line touch the similar to the normal line. We can say that our fitted model is better fitted as compared to Jumbert's, Lomax, Nadaraj-Egigi, Top-Leon and log diagram distributions, because these are the deviated from the central point or baseline center line, while this distribution is closer to the our center line of the PP plot. In the same way, we also use plot 2. Lastly, we obtain the parametric values and obtain the Q1, Q2, Q3 sigma 1 skewness and kurtosis of the distribution. You can download my research from Research Journal of Mathematical and Statistical Sciences website, and you can further study in detail. It's a little bit introduction of my research. Keep watching my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.